Good morning, you beautiful brave hearts, you beautiful souls in the world, wherever you are. I'm coming to you from a magnificent morning. And I want to talk to you this morning about that health is a state of being. Real health is a state of being, and it's not a state of taking any form of medicine. We are at the moment on day 8 of the Wolf NonSurgical body training, and this course is absolutely amazing. Dr. Sage Wolf and the beautiful master trainers Simran and Emily are facilitating this incredible body work. And the Wolf NonSurgical is really the Grail to true medicine and healing, activating really the healing power within. So what we really do is we pinpoint, we work with our elbow, and we go into areas of the body where there's restriction, calcification, scar tissue, where things become blocked. And we know that, when we are in a true state of health, then we have perfect circulation. But, we find ourselves in this time through stress, through education, through disconnection with our organic being, that we really have lost this ability to understand our body, to feel our body. And then what happens when the 70 trillion cells are out of alignment, that the body actually then, rather than regenerating and healing itself, it actually starts calcifying, breaking down, and form of restrictions happen. And this course has been amazing. There's 24 incredible souls in the class. And just to see the physical transformation, the spiritual, the energetic transformation. And, magic happens when we really stop, we disconnect, we stop doing the same thing, and we actually really learn to become our own healers and our own practitioners. And, the craziness of the idea that we have been screwed, that, we go externally to really find that wisdom, when all really we need to do is to go within. And what we create for ourselves and our beautiful clients is a perfect day. And what a perfect day is, from the moment you wake to when you gently close your eyes in the evening, to learn to love, honor, and respect yourself in every way. So we talk about the hydration, hydrating the body with beautiful structured water, and drinking enough water. Most of us aren't drinking enough water. To eat high vibrational foods, and then we eat much less. So beautiful juices, blended drinks, taking the stress, taking the toxins away from this physical being. And then, who we spend time with, who we hang around with. We are the sums of the 5 people we spend our life with. And that used to terrify me 20 years ago. But now I must really say, through taking massive personal action and being the gatekeeper for my energetics, really protecting myself and the family, and being so choosy that who I spend time with, because that is the most. Our environment is everything. It's not genetics, it's epigenetics. It's our environment. It's how we move, the environment we're with, the people we're with, and it's that regenerates. And healing and finding our authentic self is an inside job. And Dr. Daryl Wolf is at the moment in Puerto Rico, and he was here in the Coffs Harbour area in Australia. And just to see that, the whole life coach, which is our first coach, where where he cracked all of our coconuts from the inside out, and seeing that magical moment when incredible men and women really witness themselves let go of the old beliefs, the old things that that stop us. We say, what's the limit? Is the sky the limit? No, our beliefs are the limit. So when we choose to connect with ourselves and then have a beautiful, perfect day where we really become the gatekeepers of everything that we do, our thoughts, the people we hang around with, and of course how we nourish and we move the body. And I myself am so fortunate. I found an incredible partner, my husband Kevin, who's actually also taking this course. And to have found a man he's about to turn 60 actually in September, who is now for the first time really letting go of all of his, just his limiting beliefs and the things that used to hold him back. And we are 2 and a bit weeks into the couple's connection. And what that is to look into each other's eyes, to sit cross-legged, and to breathe together. And for the first time, we've been together for 7 years. We are really seeing each other. We are feeling each other. We are witnessing each other. We becoming our accountability partners for each other. And, in a relationship where we never made time, the irony in the time we live in, we give all the time to the people around us, our work and all those different things, and then when we come home, we shit all over our loved ones and they sort of get the worst of us. But this beautiful new awareness of really being there for each other. And if you have a partner, I challenge you, I really ask you, I pray for you that you take that time. And at the beginning, just take 2 or 5 minutes, set your clock, sit cross-legged from your partner, and then just gently gaze into their eyes. And, the first few times we cried like little babies, but now it's just this knowingness and it's just this incredible depth that, we see ourselves in the eyes of others. And it's only really the beginning of our relationship. Every time I'm near him, every time I see him, every time I witness him, just seeing him growing. And by me softening and stepping into my divine feminine, I really create space for him to find his masculine, to stay strong, and to really, to be the man that he's here to be for our family and for me as his woman. And the most incredible part of, Kevin and I really becoming brave hearts, putting a line in the sand and no longer accepting anything else, the energies, the toxins, the poisons in our home. What I'm witnessing is that, our children are actually, they're not, the older children are not taking this training, but our children are actually stepping up. Our children are developing a depth into their spirit, a clarity. And, we are just so incredible. And if we stop focusing on the outside, on the problems, on, having victimitis, the world is happening, everybody is, is sort of out to attack us. But when we actually stop and we focus on the inside and we take 100% responsibility for our physical and emotional and spiritual being, then actually magic happens, because we become a bright, shining light. We become the one we have been looking for. We connect with our authentic power, our unconditional love, and then we are able to share that with the ones that we love the most, and also the ones that we touch. So, the world has become a fun-filled adventure, a very bumpy ride. And I really, would like to put into your hearts that it is time to take massive personal action. It is time for us to clean out our cupboards, to clean out our belief systems, and to really buckle up for the next ride that is about to come. And, I'm so grateful to be living this life. I don't have a job. I have a purpose and I have a passion. And the number one job for me is to mind my own business, to really, accelerate my own health and my own emotional intelligence, to, connect with my heart and to grow the brave heart that I'm slowly becoming, to learn to speak out, to feel my own promises. When I say I do something, I actually do it and I follow it up. And it's a magical journey. And, I think we all know that, the governments aren't here to save us. The world is going to be a crazy place for the next 3 to 5 years. So we need to go within. We need to clean up our act in our families, in our homes, our environment, be there for the people that are there for us. And having these beautiful men and women from all around the world, the BraveHeart community in this training, what I'm realizing is the more that I've really stepped into who I am, then, my soul family has actually arrived. And that is a beautiful thing. When we are human beings and not human doings, and we connect with like-minded people, and, we don't even need to speak the words, because we feel each other, we honor each other, we see each other. And in that place, life is absolutely magic. And the medicine of the future, my beautiful brothers and sisters, is a state of being, and a state of being all the habits, the decisions, the things that, you know, the things that you fill in your day with, or the things you dishonor yourself with. And it's a choice. And getting old and sick and stiff, and it's, you know, it's also a choice. So let it go. Step into yourself. Invest in yourself. You know, get up early. Connect with nature. Connect with your being. Find stillness. Your soul only whispers. You will find the way. If I can do it, you can do it. And together we are strong. So become your own medicine. Activate the healer within. Find your brave heart and really connect and love with all the beautiful people that are in your life. Life is absolute magical. Sending you so much love wherever you are in the world. And if you would like to book a Perfect Day Consultation, so in the Southern Hemisphere, we are stepping into spring, and it's such a beautiful time to really look at how we're doing life, look how we're nourishing ourselves, moving our bodies and doing all those things. And if you would like to, good morning, book a Perfect Day Consultation, my number is 041 399 3493. And then we will look at your perfect day from the minute you rise to when you gently close your eyes, to make sure that you nourish and you really honor your physical being. And also, if you would like to book for some wolf non-surgical body work, once again, my number is 041 399 3493. And from October, we will be offering incredible cell sonic treatments along with our body work. And Cell Sonic is incredible for really breaking down scar tissue, calcification, really getting you moving, getting you into the best shape of your life, so you can have energy, so you can really live your purpose and your passion. All right, beautiful brave hearts, that's enough. I need to get back. We are on day 8, as I said, of our wolf non-surgical. Today we are going to work on the occiput area, and we're going to be doing a pelvic clearance, which is really the holy grail where a lot of our energy is blocked. I will talk to you really, really soon, and take massive personal action. You are the one you've been waiting for, and you are the most important person in your life. And look so much forward to talking to you soon. Bye.